e-learning platforms is likely to be characterized by personalized learning experience, immense technologies, gamifications, mobile accessibility, because nowadays mobile marketing is the new outcome of marketing and everybody is restricted to that. Collaboration with micro-learning, data-driven insights, because analytics is playing a huge role. It becoming a giant in the industries, and courses are having their setback onto this. And a focus on a lifelong learning, because nowadays skill-based learning will going to have a better future of each and every student. As technology advances and educational requirements evolve, e-learning platforms will play a vital role in providing accessible, engaging, and effective education to learners and worldwide. And obviously, with the passage of time, every faculty will have a sort of blended kind of learning so that students should get the maximum benefit out of it. If my child can come and sit in my classroom, well and good. If not, then through that online or through that blending learning, they can have the actual essence of teaching. If not the actual essence, then they can get the actual what message I want to portray.